Hello everyone. You must know how to launch a product on Amazon, but this video will tell you how to actually make money by bringing your product on the top of listing. So, welcome to Tech Insights. Previously, I did a video on product research, and this video is about keyword research and how to know what keywords are the right ones for your listing. So, this is the product that we are going to work on and find out all the right keywords that we need in order for our product to rank on the top of the listing like this one. So this will go in four easy steps. So step number one, open Cerebro. We will copy essence of listings that are on the top of this page and paste here. Alright, just in case if you can't find essence over here, there's another way that you can find it from the page. If you scroll down, here it shows all the essence of the products. All right, so let's go back. Once we've copied all the listings and we will click here get keywords, which brings us to step 2. Sort the keywords by search volume from highest to lowest. So now we have all the keywords that we need. But now let come to the step 3 and we will analyze the data, look at organic ranks, and we need product keywords that are organically ranked on top 10 spots on Amazon pages. So here we have organic rank, or you can call it position rank. So position rank is sorted, but first we need to make sure that we have all the keywords that are ranked on top 1 to 10 ranks on the keywords. So we will filter out position keywords and we need keywords from that are ranked on 1 to 10 position. So now if we look at the data, we have we have keywords that are ranked on top 10 positions. Those listings are ranked on top 10 positions. So once this is done, now we know that sheet organizer and storage is a good keyword for this product. It has 23,000 search volume and 1,000 competing products. The listings that we chose essence from are ranked on 7th position on this keyword. But now if we want to concise the data and get the actual rewarding keywords, we must also keep in mind that we need to choose those keywords that have less competing products. For example, if a keyword has 1,000 competing products, then it is of high competition, and similarly goes with 2,000 or 3,000. So now we will sort out, go to the filters and sort the competing products from, for example, 1 to 700. Maximum we need competing products around, let's go with 800. So now we have keywords that have good search volumes and less competing products and good position ranks. So now we will go to step 4 and get this data on Excel sheet. Now we have every detail that we need about the products. And now we will sort them out like this. Good search volume. Okay, sponsored lessons are good. CPR, we have to sell 41 products in 8 days in order to rank on top of this keyword. So this is all you need. These are all the keywords that you need to put in your content when you launch your product listing, and this is how it's done. Thank you so much.